You're listening to Lead AI.dev, your daily updates on AI development. Today's topic is GitHub Pages Tutorial, free website hosting for developers in 2026. Here's a quick overview. GitHub Pages offers free website hosting directly from your repositories, enabling developers to publish documentation, portfolios, and project sites without additional hosting costs. Now, let's ask our analyst about these developments. What's new? GitHub Pages' simplified deployment process.
GitHub Pages has streamlined its deployment workflow, making it easier than ever for developers to create free websites directly from their repositories. The platform now supports automatic builds from any branch, custom domains with HTTPS enforcement, and Jekyll integration without complex configuration. This update eliminates many of the technical barriers that previously prevented beginners from leveraging GitHub's free hosting service. The enhanced interface provides clear deployment status indicators and simplified settings management, reducing setup time from hours to minutes for most projects. The technical improvements include support for GitHub Actions-based deployments, which allows for custom build processes beyond the default Jekyll generator. Developers can now use modern frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular with custom build workflows while maintaining the simplicity of GitHub Pages hosting. The platform automatically handles SSL certificate provisioning for custom domains and provides built-in CDN acceleration through GitHub's global infrastructure. Branch protection rules now integrate seamlessly with Pages deployment, ensuring only approved changes reach production sites. Previously, GitHub Pages required users to navigate complex Jekyll configurations and understand Ruby gem dependencies. The new approach abstracts these complexities while maintaining full customization capabilities for advanced users. Direct Markdown rendering has been improved with better syntax, highlighting, and table support. The deployment pipeline now provides detailed logs and error reporting, making troubleshooting significantly more accessible for developers at all skill levels. Automatic HTTPS certificate provisioning for custom domains within 24 hours. GitHub Actions integration supports custom build processes with Node.js, Python, and Ruby branch-based deployments allow staging environments from feature branches, enhanced security with branch protection rules, and deployment approval workflows, built-in analytics integration with Google Analytics and other tracking services.
Thank you for that analysis. Let's move on. Who benefits from GitHub Pages free hosting?
Individual developers and small teams gain the most immediate value from GitHub Pages, particularly those building documentation sites, personal portfolios, or project landing pages. Open source maintainers benefit significantly since they can host comprehensive documentation without monthly hosting fees, redirecting budget toward development tools or contributor rewards. Freelance developers can showcase client work and maintain professional portfolios without ongoing hosting costs, while students and bootcamp graduates can build impressive project showcases that demonstrate both coding skills and deployment knowledge. Technical writers and documentation teams find GitHub Pages particularly valuable for maintaining version-controlled documentation that stays synchronized with code repositories. Marketing teams at developer-focused companies can create landing pages for specific campaigns or product launches without involving DevOps resources. Academic researchers and educators benefit from the ability to publish research findings, course materials, and interactive demonstrations with minimal technical overhead while maintaining full version control. Large enterprises should exercise caution with GitHub Pages for production applications due to bandwidth limitations and lack of advanced caching controls. E-commerce sites requiring server-side processing or database integration will need alternative solutions since GitHub Pages only supports static content. Organizations with strict compliance requirements may find the shared hosting environment unsuitable for sensitive documentation or internal tools. Open source projects save $50. 2. Zero monthly on documentation hosting costs. Portfolio sites for job seekers demonstrate version control and deployment skills. Academic institutions can publish research and course materials with DOI integration. Marketing teams can deploy campaign landing pages without DevOps dependencies.
Great insight, really helpful context. How to get started. Step-by-step GitHub Pages setup.
Before creating your GitHub Pages site, ensure you have a GitHub account and a repository containing the content you want to publish. Your repository should include an index.html file or index.md file in the root directory or docs folder, depending on your chosen source location. For Jekyll sites, verify that your local development environment includes Ruby 2.7 or higher and the Jekyll gem installed. If you plan to use a custom domain, Have your domain registrar login credentials ready for DNS configuration. Navigate to your repository settings and scroll to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Select your publishing source, either the root directory of your main branch, the docs folder of your main branch, or a dedicated github-pages branch. If using Jekyll, GitHub will automatically detect your config.y, m, l file and begin the build process. For custom domains, enter your domain name in the custom domain field and create a sname file in your repository root containing only your domain name. Enable the enforce HTTPS option once your domain verification completes. Verify your deployment by visiting your GitHub pages URL, which follows the format username.github.io/repository name for project sites or username.github.io for user sites. Check the Actions tab in your repository to monitor build status and troubleshoot any deployment errors. Test your site's responsiveness and functionality across different devices and browsers. Configure any necessary redirects using Jekyll's redirect plugin or meta refresh tags for simple redirects. Repository must contain index.html or index.md and root or docs folder. Custom domains require CNAME file creation and DNSA record configuration. Jekyll sites automatically build with config.y. L detection and gem installation. HTTPS enforcement activates automatically after domain verification completes. Build logs available in Actions tab provide detailed error diagnostics.
That's a very interesting point. Tell us about competitive context. How GitHub Pages compares to hosting alternatives.
GitHub Pages competes directly with Netlify and Vercel in the static site hosting space, offering comparable deployment automation, but with tighter Git integration. While Netlify provides more advanced features like form handling, /B testing, and edge functions, GitHub Pages excels in simplicity and zero configuration deployments for Jekyll sites. Vercel offers superior performance for React and Next.js applications, but requires more complex setup for non-JavaScript frameworks. GitHub Pages' main advantage lies in its seamless integration with existing development workflows for teams already using GitHub for version control. Traditional hosting providers like DigitalOcean or AWS require significantly more configuration and ongoing maintenance compared to GitHub Pages' automated deployment pipeline. The cost advantage becomes substantial for small projects. GitHub Pages remains free for public repositories while competitors charge $520 monthly for similar traffic levels. However, GitHub Pages lacks server-side processing capabilities that platforms like Heroku or Railway provide, limiting its use cases to static content and client-side applications. GitHub Pages has bandwidth limitations of 100 GB monthly and file size restrictions of 1 GB per repository, which may constrain media-heavy sites. The platform doesn't support server-side languages like PHP or Python, unlike traditional hosting providers. Custom build processes require GitHub Actions knowledge, while competitors often provide GUI-based build configuration. Despite these limitations, GitHub Pages remains the optimal choice for documentation, portfolios, and simple marketing sites where cost and simplicity outweigh advanced features. Free hosting for unlimited public repositories versus $520 monthly for competitors' automatic Jekyll builds without configuration compared to manual setup elsewhere. 100 GB monthly bandwidth limit suitable for most documentation and portfolio sites. No server-side processing capabilities unlike Heroku or traditional hosting providers.
Good analysis. Let's continue. What's next? Future implications for static site hosting?
GitHub's roadmap indicates expanded support for modern JavaScript frameworks through enhanced GitHub Actions integration, potentially including pre-built workflows for React, Vue, and Svelte applications. The platform is exploring serverless function integration that would enable dynamic content generation while maintaining the simplicity of static hosting. Advanced caching controls and CDN optimization features are under development to improve global performance, particularly for international audiences accessing GitHub Pages sites. Integration with GitHub Codespaces will likely enable in-browser editing and preview capabilities, allowing content creators to update sites without local development environments. Enhanced analytics and monitoring tools are planned to provide detailed insights into site performance and visitor behavior. The platform may introduce premium tiers offering increased bandwidth limits, priority build queues, and advanced security features for enterprise users who need GitHub Pages functionality with commercial-grade support. The static site hosting market continues evolving toward edge computing and serverless architectures, positioning GitHub Pages to leverage Microsoft's Azure infrastructure for improved global performance. As Jamstack adoption increases, GitHub Pages' tight integration with the development workflow becomes increasingly valuable for teams practicing DevOps methodologies. The platform's future success depends on balancing simplicity with the advanced features that modern web applications require. Pre-built GitHub Actions workflows for popular JavaScript frameworks launching Q2 2026 serverless function integration planned for dynamic content without server management, enhance global CDN performance through deeper Azure infrastructure integration premium tiers under consideration for enterprise users requiring advanced features.
Great analysis. So, what are the key takeaways from all of this?
GitHub Pages provides free website hosting for unlimited public repositories with automatic HTTPS and custom domain support. Setup requires only enabling pages in repository settings and ensuring an index.html or index.md file exists in your chosen source directory. Jekyll integration works automatically without configuration, while custom frameworks require GitHub Actions workflows for building. The platform suits documentation, portfolios, and marketing sites, but cannot handle server-side processing or dynamic databases.
And what market signals should our listeners watch for?
Static site hosting democratization. GitHub Pages' simplified deployment process signals broader market movement toward accessible web hosting for developers. The elimination of technical barriers enables more individual developers and small teams to maintain professional web presence without hosting costs. This democratization pressures traditional hosting providers to simplify their offerings while creating opportunities for complementary services like headless CMS platforms and static site generators. The trend indicates growing developer preference for Git-based workflows extending beyond code into content management and deployment. Jamstack ecosystem maturation. Enhanced GitHub Pages functionality reflects the maturing Jamstack ecosystem where static sites handle increasingly complex applications through client-side JavaScript and API integrations. The platform's GitHub Actions integration acknowledges that modern static sites require sophisticated build processes for framework compilation and asset optimization. This evolution suggests static hosting platforms must support diverse build environments while maintaining deployment simplicity. The market shift favors platforms offering both beginner-friendly defaults and advanced customization capabilities. Developer experience optimization. GitHub's focus on streamlined deployment workflows indicates broader industry recognition that developer experience directly impacts productivity and adoption rates. The integration of deployment, version control, and hosting in a single platform reduces context switching and tool complexity for development teams. This consolidation trend pressures competitors to offer similar integrated experiences or risk losing developers to more cohesive platforms. The emphasis on automated deployments and clear error reporting reflects growing expectations for self-service development tools.
What should developers and operators do with this information?
Enable GitHub Pages for existing documentation repositories within 48 hours to eliminate hosting costs and improve deployment workflows. Create portfolio sites using GitHub Pages before Q2 2026 to demonstrate deployment skills and version control knowledge to potential employers. Migrate simple marketing landing pages to GitHub Pages within 30 days to reduce hosting expenses and improve content versioning. Implement GitHub Actions workflows for modern JavaScript frameworks when building complex static applications requiring custom-built processes.
Thank you for listening to LeadA.dev. Stay tuned for our next daily updates in this rapidly emerging market.